Oh man, first night ride in Dallas, Texas. And I finally, like, for these night rides, I changed my tinted visor for like an actual, for my clear one. And it's so much fucking better. I'm telling you, it's like night and day. But I have to just be careful at all times, you know. Boy! Experienced the Dallas night time, so that's what we're about to go do, see what's going on. I was gonna go to this meet, but some things went down, so I couldn't go. But we're out now, out and about. I'm gonna go see what's popping. I may see some folks on the highway, because, like, you know, I'm not trying to like travel during peak time, because fuck that. Gotta watch out for like some of these roads, because I don't really know them too well, so I don't want to make a mistake and like hit a damn pothole, because that would definitely hurt. So I'm on my way to the infamous Fuel City to see what that's all about. Cause I've never been, and I know there's like a damn Texaco or like some shit, but I don't know where that's at. Cruise around and just like just see how it is at night. I don't really have to worry about the hot ass sun, so I'm good on that regard. Wait, where does it even go? I don't know, but we gonna make what we can do. Dude, it's so much better with a clear visor at night. Oh my goodness, somebody's smoking. God damn, but burning all types of damn oil. Woo, I smell that. God damn, that shit stink. I'm ready to see like these like Dallas like lights, like the skyline and all that crap. I'm ready. It's gonna be so exciting. Oh baby, out on the highway at night. Ooh, I saw your little hole. I saw you. I gotta let the tires warm up though. Man, at night is a whole different vibe, and like the air feels so good. I'm not sweating my ass off right now, because the temps have been in like the high 90s, so yeah, it's been pretty warm. I gotta get off. Oh Lord. Why y'all slowing down for? You know, because people trying to merge and like get off. That's how it always is, man. It's like a merge hell that never ends. Now we riding, baby. Oh, this air feels good, nice and crisp. Not too bad. Oh, here we go, baby. Dallas. Beautiful ass skyline, man. This is what I've been waiting to see, especially at night. Pretty cool. The Dallas nightlife, baby. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's pretty dope. Boy, it crashed. Oh, we are really in damn Dallas. What the hell is going? Ooh, look at that. I like that little ball pause, but yeah, pretty cool. Hey yo, what the? Night, the city comes to life. I see. I like that, but I also gotta watch out for these people on the road. Else I will get hurt. Woo! Talk to me, girl. Because usually when I'm on the highway, I tend not to talk that much because you gotta be on your P's and freaking Q's. Damn, got some shit in my eyes. That shit hurt. Ooh wee! Damn, got cars everywhere. Damn, my eyeball. Oh, the infamous Fuel City. Probably go grab me something to fucking snack on. I'm thirsty as hell right now. Seem to be always bugs here. I'm finna head on. I don't feel like sitting around for too damn long. I like the rides that are like sit around, so. So I don't know where I'm gonna go now, but definitely gonna go somewhere. Yeah, the old infamous Fuel City. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be here a lot, so. These bumps are crazy though. Whew. Where the cops going? Yeah, I just passed the cops, so they're definitely out, so I gotta just be very cautious, you know. Hey, get on this highway, cause these streets, I ain't doing it. That's that infamous parking garage. So that's the where it was. That's funny. God damn, these roads suck. Look at Dallas, baby. And we are out here today. Just look at it, the sheer beauty. crazy. Come on, Tesla, hurry up, go! Fuck, I love you. Thank you, bro. But this tunnel right here is so damn cool. I like it. It's like, oh, cameras, action, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Probably folks trying to merge. That's what it always tended to be. Man, it's like, I don't know. These highways, there's something about them. And one of these days we'll go to like the Dallas tunnels, but no, we'll like see. It's not my top priority though. My main priority is just to get to know more folks. That's pretty much it. Oh, the like Mustang wants to play. Oh, not the Honda taking off. Damn. At the police? No, it's a broken ass car. Oh, slow up, a little slow up, I see. Let's go. Pump the bike. Damn! I'm crazy right now, man. Just enjoying myself. Yeah, so we're like, I can't even talk. We're just gonna ride. Like, I may talk, I like may not talk, but I'm just enjoying the moment, man. Which you should always do, because you never know. Is it a cop? Is that an undercover? Oh, what the hell is this? That looks like a damn cop. It may be an undercover. Gotta watch out for them. Got the cops up ahead. They probably had an accident. Is my shoe untied? Oh, come on. I heard a brother. Ah! Yeah, my shoe is untied. God damn it. I didn't need to fix that ASAP. No Rocky. What can you do for a Klondike bar? Ba-dum-doom.
Let me tell you.
That's tough. Damn. We're cooking. We're cooking. Ah! We're cooking like shrimp fried rice, baby. I love this part when it's like no damn traffic. It's like so much better. That truck rolling, baby. That's a 4-power. Not the Mustang with no lights. What the? Not the Bronco. Oh, jeez, that's you? I bet you the glove fits now. Wait, that's not a boy. That's not a damn Bronco. It fooled me though. You fooled me. Yeah, but if you are out in the Dallas area, please hit me up. Please do. Cause I want to meet a whole bunch of folks and just ride, man. Come on. Cause me, I don't really like to. Well, I'll talk and ride, but like when it comes to riding, I don't like to just sit around and talk. Look that. I want to ride. That's why I bought this bike, so let's ride. Ooh, sun smells good. That's that Dodge, baby, that Dodge Ram. The Dodge Ram. Whoa, I didn't like the way that felt. Oh, that felt scary as hell. Like my bike was kind of like, that little crack? Hell no, get away from me. You evil bugger. Cause that one will make you bust your ass. So I gotta watch out for that one. ASAP. Damn. I see a biker. That boy ride, huh? Oof. Back to the road. Whoop. That's a nice little hole right there. Let's ride. Everyone tries to hold on to their lives when no one's alive. If I make some weird noises, I'm pretty much likely singing the damn song, you know. When no one's alive, it's the police. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Damn, I need to get over in that lane. Oh, hell nah. We ain't going that way. Reroute. Nope. Too much traffic. Boy, this traffic is something else. Oh, what the hell is that? I don't know. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. Somebody gotta do it. Wow. Haha. Yeah. I'm there. what's up though. Get crazy. Oh, damn! Alright, so we're good. You know, I'm just having a little fun, just singing some songs, man. I'm just enjoying this a lot. And there's a lot of bikers out tonight too. They everywhere. Finish the US inside. Yeah, man. But I think I like night rides a lot more because like less traffic, the heat is not bad, and you can just cruise, man. Cruise and ride. But yeah, man, that's all I have for today because I'm just gonna be driving like a little baby on the way home because man, the night times especially on like a Friday night, everybody out. I love it. I love it so much. That's all I have for this video. Y'all take care, be safe, drive safe, ride your own ride. I'll catch you next one. Bow!